Hey, Testamina teachers, this is Melissa. Thanks for having me this morning. I just wanted to follow up and show you a quick way you can get to the PL blog, which houses a bunch of resources that we talked about this morning, and also those Canvas labs that will be really helpful as you get going with Canvas. So when you go to your Employees tab on the home page, click in there, and you will see this link here, hashtag PL resource site. Go ahead and click that under the reference column. And then once you get to this awesome PL resource bank, you'll want to click on Professional Development. And here you'll have a list of all the courses being offered. I know Amanda's planning a bunch of book talks for next fall, including a new one that's called Learning at the Center, Students at the Center by Zunda and Kalik, which is an awesome, awesome book. I totally think you should take that book talk. But most importantly, what I was mentioning this morning are these Canvas labs on this YouTube channel. These are just really quick tutorials, 90 seconds, maybe 2 minutes, on how to do some real easy things in Canvas to get you started. So hopefully this video has been helpful, and hopefully you'll explore Canvas a little bit over the summer. Take care.